guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be cash stuffing my third check for the month of October. Let's get into it. First thing we are going to go ahead and do is our weekly check-in. And so if you'll notice, we have some new wallets back here. We have the blue, which y'all requested, the green, which Gabriella and a few others will not ever let me live down, and then the next customer fave, which is the purple. I put a poll up, a few actually, over the past few months, asking you guys what colors you'd like to see. These are the first three. I have another 3 colors on the way. They'll hopefully be here next week. And then we'll be launching these wallets soon. So I chose to move into these wallets as opposed to the pink with white polka dots because these are about to be sold out, the binders and the wallets. And so I try not to use things that are sold out because people just ask me about them over and over and over. So these wallets are kind of the same style as the pink. Inside, rounded the corners, we inserted a ID pocket. These fold forward. We did bring the back pocket back. The insert now has a picture, a little picture pocket in the front so you can, put a picture of your kids or little dashboards. I made some dashboards, so I put one here, and then it still has the 3 card slots on the back. These are just some envelopes I threw together this morning to put in here. And then again, the 3 card slots in the back, the zipper tab, and this pulls up as well. And there's also a little pocket in the back. The pin flaps here, I was so sick of it peeling off of my other wallet, so she suggested we sew them in the clasp, and that has been working really nicely. And these have rose gold accessories inside of the purple. And up next we have the green. And the green has the gold hardware, all of the same pockets and accessories. Ignore this. This was a sample one. But there will be the pocket here, just like the others. Card slots, coin pocket, and back pocket as well. This one is so beautiful. And this one has the gold hardware. And then we have blue. And again, same thing. This is just a little dashboard I made. And the wallets will actually have an add-on of envelopes, and it's these envelopes here. You can get them in print or cursive, black, white, or purple. And they say, the basics that you need for the wallet: spending, eating out, household, gas, groceries. These are really cute, really easy to use. So once I switch to this wallet, I'll be using these here, but I really like the look of them in the blue wallet. And the blue wallet has silver accessories. So I just brought those to show you all the color options. Those will be available soon once the other wallets sell out. But for today, I'm gonna stick with the purple. I have to move my cards and stuff in here. Please forgive my ghetto envelopes. I just threw those together to come back here and cash stuff. So for gas last week, we didn't add anything, so there should be nothing here, and it's empty. For groceries, we have $10 left. We started with $200, so that means we spent $190 with $10 remaining. Okay, and this $10 is going to come out here, and it's going to go up here in the front. I'll show you what I do with it at the end. Dining out still has $50, but I did use my credit card, so that is going to go towards my credit card bill. So we spent that entire $50, so there's nothing remaining. So this $50 will go in the bill binder. Okay, and then the last one we stuffed last week was spending. We put 20 bucks in there, and there's not 20 left. There's nothing left. Oh, get it together, girl. So we spent 20, and there is nothing remaining. So the rest of them we didn't stuff, so we're all good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this ready for next week. And there we go. So now to our cash stuffing for the week. Alrighty, so let me close that so it's not a distraction. So we see the pay, $1,800, $500 invested, auto invested. I just transferred over to my Fidelity. So that means that there's $1,300 to stuff. We would typically go through bills first, but since my wallet's already here, I'm going to go ahead and stuff these. Again, we've been busy this week. I think I've driven twice, so I don't need any gas money. So groceries is going to get $150. And that should do us. We've been trying to do 1 meal a day. Lord, so ghetto. It is just so ghetto trying to lose weight. Dining out is getting $40. Why does my sweater look so frumpy? Okay. Spending is going to get $20. And I think that's it. I'm not going to put anything in my Health Be Human this week because I'll be working. So I won't really go anywhere, and miscellaneous doesn't need anything. So that's all today for the cash wallet. In our bill binder, we are going to be adding $250 to rent. So we've got $1, $250. This one here we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $750. Right, y'all. Okay. Utilities, we are going to be adding $50. So we now have $150 in there. Our Wi-Fi, which I think just came out yesterday, day before. We're going to be adding $20. And I'm actually going to change this because it's only $64 now. So next month I'll be stuffing a little bit less in here. Really nice. It's a huge savings from what I was paying AT&T. T-Mobile is going to get $30. So let's see. 20 and a 10. So 100, 120, 130, 140. If it was just me, my bill would be like $60. But y'all know, my niece don't believe in paying the phone bill. Self-lender is going to get $10, but it's okay because I get lots of free labor out of her. So we have $30 in there. And if you don't know, Self-lender is a not credit repair app, but a credit rebuilding app. It's helped rebuild my score, probably like 190 points right now. And basically with Self-lender, you just sign up, you pick a plan. You can either do $25 a month, $35, whatever, and you start paying. And so they put the money in a CD for you. So it reports like a trade line on your credit report, a positive trade line. And at the end, you get the money back. They send you a check. So if you're someone who can't qualify for credit cards or you need another trade line, that's a really good way to do it. Streaming is getting $20, 20, 40, 60. You know, when you very first start your credit repair journey, credit rebuilding, whatever you want to call it, sometimes it's hard to get approved for good credit cards. But Self-lender, actually like halfway through, they'll offer to just put the balance on a secured card for you. And then if you do well enough with the secured card, they'll unsecure it. So that's also really nice. Storage will be receiving, did I already do it? Nope. Storage is going to get $60. So let's do 50 and 10. So 100, 150, 170, 180 in storage. 180. Okay, yearly subscriptions is going to be receiving $5. So, and here we now have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 610, which is awesome. That's just, you know, you save if you buy certain subscriptions yearly. So that's what we're going to do with that. Okay, so back here in credit card, I'm going to add this $50 from DoorDash. so that when it's time to pay the bill, I just pull the cash from here. So we have $50, $70, and $80 in here for the month of October. Okay. Up next here we have our sinking funds, and we are going to go ahead and go through those and add the money accordingly. So let's go to this binder first. This is my low priority binder. The very first one we're gonna do here is travel, and travel's gonna receive $5. Okay, so in travel, we have 1,000 in the bank, 1,100, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2,000, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 2750, 2770, 2790, 2810, 2830, 2850, 2890, 2910, 2920, 2930, 2940, 2945. So we have $2,945 in travel. I don't know where we're going, but for one of these upcoming holidays, we are going to do something. My nieces are going to be receiving $10. Okay, so in here they have 100, 2, 3, 320, 340, 360, 370, 380, 390, $401. Okay, Rico's not getting anything. Hair products is going to get $10. I just ran out of Miss Jessie's today, so I need to go get me some more. 50, 100, 120, 140, 150. I have 150 in hair products. Oh, let me write it. And very last here we have our emergency fund, and that's going to receive $50. I'm really trying to get back to contributing more money to my emergency fund because now I have more responsibility. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500. So, you know, more responsibility, bigger emergencies. And I don't want to have to dip into savings for those. So that's everything for our low priority binder. And yes, these are on the site. Just pick the cursive font with the clear with pink binder. Or, you know, we do have clear with rose gold and all kinds of stuff. As for these envelopes, we haven't had time to make them yet, but hopefully soon they'll be available too. So medical expenses are going to get $40. Actually just bought prescriptions, so some of this will be coming out soon. Our total in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,050, 70, 90, 1110, 1130, 1150, 1170, 1190, 1,200. So we have $1,200 towards medical expenses. My dentist appointment is next week, so I'm gonna leave this in here. Household is next. Household is going to be receiving $40, and this is just money I want to have in the event that we need toilet paper or anything for our house. We have a drink fridge, stuff like that. 20, 40, 60, 80, because I hate taking that out of my grocery bill. So $80 here. 6 months of expenses is going to get $50. So we now have $70 in there. Sorry if I'm breathing all in y'all's nose. The phone is like right next to me today. I'm a little stuffed up. Car insurance is gonna get $50. So car insurance now has 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1,100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1,205. and car insurance. We pay this every 6 months, remember? So $1,205. Okay. At the moment, so I'm actually gonna move this out of my way a little bit because y'all know I have to do a little bit of coloring. The very first challenge I'm going to do is my 52-week, and $160 is what we're gonna put in here. So we've got grab two, 100, 150, and I guess the 2 5s will be 160. So we're gonna add that to our 52-week challenge here. And the very last one we're going to do is our October challenge. I actually went in and stuffed these. I think I'm gonna put that video on TikTok or Instagram with a little bit of side hustle money. For the month of October, from this check, we're going to be adding $100. Okay, so we're gonna add $100 from this check, and then from some side hustle money, we're gonna be adding, not the 10, that's for something else. We're gonna be adding 250. Okay, because y'all know my goal for this one was $950, so I've been trying to do some hustling here around town to make it happen. Okay, so we've got 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750. So we are 200 away, and I have one more week. I also have my side hustle income, but I didn't really pull any of that in cash, but I think I'm gonna pull 100 to stuff in here. So this is our October saving challenge. Can y'all believe it's October? Like, where has time gone, man? It's crazy. We're almost through a whole nother year. It's just wild. So this $10 is going to go to my $1 or my $5 challenge, whichever one I can make change for. And that's that. My $1 challenge so far. I'll just go ahead and put it in there and get some change for this 10 when I can. But yeah, it is filling up pretty good here. I add ones to it when I can. I don't always have ones for change, but if I come across them doing like local sales or whatever, I try to always throw them in here. This is another good way to save if you can't afford to do the other savings challenges. Just save your 1s and 5s or even your change. As always, y'all, thanks so much for being here. Y'all have a really good day. Bye.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by